Hey online human, Behold here. In this video, we are going to dive into the latest music AI tool that allows everyone to create music without any prior knowledge. Meet SUNO AI. Developed by a team of musicians and AI experts, SUNO AI specializes in transforming any text, be it in lyric, quotes, or even gibberish, into song across various genres. This is reshaping the world of computer-generated music. With SUNO AI, you're one text away from your next hit song. For demo, I input Getting Back from Heartbreak and generate lyric. Genre, K-pop. And there it is, a complete song in few steps. You can check out the full quick tutorial on my shorts. But before you do so, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. SUNO AI is insanely user-friendly for non-musicians. The downsides, it might not nail those super complex prompts. Now, when it comes to pricing, SUNO AI offers a free version and premium option. Their Pro and Premium plan allow users to monetize it. But for the free version, SUNO retains ownership of the songs, so keep that in mind. And their latest development is SUNO AI now integrated with Microsoft Copilot, making it accessible via Microsoft Edge. This partnership is a game changer, opening even more creative possibilities for everyone. So that's SUNO AI. If you created something using SUNO, please don't be shy, share it in the comment section. I will try to include your AI music on my next AI music videos. Until then, bye!